Welcome back to Fit Life Fusion. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell for more health tips and nutrition advice. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important factors in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, healthy eating for weight loss. It's not just about cutting calories or following the latest fad diet. It's about making smarter food choices that nourish your body while helping you shed those extra pounds. Let's dive right in. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. First up, when it comes to healthy eating for weight loss, the key is to focus on nutrient-dense foods. These are foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, but relatively low in calories. Nutrient-dense foods, fruits, veggies, lean proteins, whole grains. By filling your plate with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, you're giving your body the fuel it needs without overloading on empty calories. These foods also help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Portion control and mindful eating. Next, let's talk about portion control and mindful eating. You don't have to eliminate your favorite foods entirely, but being mindful of how much you eat is crucial. Portion control and mindful eating. Take the time to savor your meals and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By slowing down and being mindful, you're less likely to overeat and more likely to enjoy your food. Plus, practicing portion control allows you to enjoy your favorite treats in moderation without sabotaging your progress. Stay hydrated and limit sugary drinks. Another simple but powerful tip for weight loss is to stay hydrated. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Stay hydrated, avoid sugary drinks. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and try to limit sugary drinks like soda, sweetened coffee, and juice. These drinks can pack a lot of hidden calories without providing any real nutrition. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon. Plan and prepare your meals. A little planning goes a long way when it comes to healthy eating for weight loss. Meal planning and prepping can help you stay on track and avoid unhealthy last-minute food choices. Plan and prepare your meals. Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. Having healthy options ready to go will make it easier to resist the temptation of fast food or convenient snacks. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just focus on balanced meals with lean proteins, veggies, and whole grains. And there you have it, some simple yet effective tips for healthy eating to support your weight loss journey. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what healthy eating habits you're working on. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and nutrition tips, and as always, stay healthy, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.